AS Biology 9700. The topics are importance of mitosis and role of telomers. First of all, we will discuss the significance of mitosis, and mitosis we have discussed earlier in detail. So, you know, the mitosis is the type of cell division in which the chromosome number is maintained. So it takes place, you can say, because it has the great biological significance and is fundamental to many biological processes. So all of those biological processes, one of them is growth of multicellular organisms. That is the due to mitosis, cell divides, redivide, and as a result, these cells, new data cells are produced, they grow, they are increased in size. So in this way, we can say that mitosis play a role in the growth of multicellular organisms. The two daughter cells produced are genetically identical to one another and have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Already told you that is the chromosome number is maintained and chromosome number is 46 in human beings and the chromosome number remains the same in every cell except the gametes. So 46 is the chromosome number. He enables unicellular. Unicellular zygotes means the zygotes have 46 number of chromosomes. As the zygote divides by mitosis to grow into multicellular organisms. Zygote is unicellular organism and then growth takes place into it. The zygote divides into many cells and as a result of many cells, it becomes a ball of cells which is called as morula. So growth may occur across the whole body of the organisms or be confined to certain regions such as in the meristems, growing points of the plant. So the mitosis takes place in both animals and plants, and it helps in the growth of multicellular organisms from the unicellular organisms. And the second point is the replacement of cells and repair of tissues. And the replacement of cells and the repair of tissues takes place by the mitosis. You know, there are certain reasons due to which some of the cells are damaged, and these cells are damaged, the whole tissue is damaged. So it can be repaired by mitosis followed by cell division. Cell division takes place, and the new cells are produced. They take the place of the old cells or the damaged cells. As cells are constantly dying, they need to be continuously replaced by genetically identical cells. The cells should be the same, the identical cells. That will be the reason they will be replaced, otherwise they are not able to replace. Because if they are not identical, they cannot be replaced. So in this way, the mitosis is the only way which produce the genetically identical cells. In humans, for example, cell replacement occurs particularly rapidly in the skin and the lining of the cut. If there is any cut in the skin, you can see after some time new cells are formed over there, and we cannot see after some time that is the new cells are there because they are genetically identical to the old cells. So after some times you can say there is no you can say cut over there remained on in the skin and skin becomes new. So in this way, the replacement of the cells and repair of tissues takes place by the process of mitosis. And next point is the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is type of reproduction in which the sex is not involved. It means a single parent can reproduce the offsprings of their own kind. So sexual reproduction is the only way you can say the mitosis is the only way which helps in the performance or in the conduction of asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is the production of new individuals of the species by a single parent organism. Single parent is required for this purpose. The offsprings are genetically identical to the parents again. The cells which are produced as a result of asexual reproduction, they should be genetically identical to the parent cell. For multicellular organisms, new individuals grow from the parent organism cell by division, and then detach bud off from the parent is different ways. You can say the budding takes place in the plants and in the hydra animals. So we can say that the budding, as a result of budding, a bud can be reproduced into a complete plant. So the asexual reproduction, in asexual reproduction, the mitosis play a great role in the production of genetically identical offspring. Now the next topic is the role of telomere. So first of all, what are telomers? Telomers are actually the DNA protein complexes at the ends of chromosomes. They play a vital role in maintaining chromosomal stability and preventing DNA degradation. And you know, students, they are present at the tips of the chromosomes. So these are the telomers. So telomers shorten with each cell replication. As cell replicate, the telomers become short. So that cell can no longer divide. This process is associated with aging. So when aging is there, the cell is unable to reproduce. So however, any enzyme called telomerase can be rebuilt telomers to restore cell division. It can happen, but for a short time, because aging play a very vital role, because after an age, there is no growth. So the role of telomers can be summarized as protect the chromosome ends. The telomers shield the ends of the chromosome from DNA damage. You know, as a result of DNA replication, there are chances that the ends of the chromosomes can be damaged. So it is prevented by the formation of these telomere ends, recombination and accidental fusion. So due to all these, the telomeres they work as a shield at the ends of the chromosomes. Secondly, the maintain genomic integrity. Telomeres are important for maintaining their genomic integrity, because if telomeres are not there, after every replication, there will be the you can say damage of the due to the damage of the DNA, there can be the loss of many genes. So if genes are lost, you can say the genomic integrity cannot be maintained. So it can only be maintained when there is something which is telomeres. It protects the, or it maintains the genomic integrity. And next, cell division. Cell required for cell division involve almost all animals. So they are required for cell division, as we know. During cell division, the genetically identical offspring has to be produced. So for the production of genetically identical offsprings, during the cell division, telomeres play as a role, because they save the chromosomes, they save the DNA. They balance a cellular lifespan. Telomeres help balance cellular lifespan and longevity. So again, they protect, they help in the, you can say, balance to keep the cellular lifespan. So lifespan of the cells is increased because of these telomeres, or they also prevent the cancer. Telomeres keep cancer growth at a bay. So they help the cells not to, you can say, um, grow uncontrollably, or to produce the cells. Uncontrolled growth, simple, you can say the uncontrolled cell division, it can also be prevented. And, you know, as a uncontrolled uh, production of the cells, the cancer can be caused. So all these are the different points which shows the importance of, or the role of these telomeres. Well, it was all about today's topic. Thanks for watching.